Hi everybody, welcome to Acsendia Aviation News. This is Sharath Kumar, aviation criminologist. In today's segment, we are going to talk about airport emergencies such as airport bomb threat, suspicious baggages, and airport evacuations, and how safety is maintained under pressure. Airport handles thousands of passengers every hour, and even the smallest security concern can lead to massive disruption. When a bomb threat is received or a suspicious bag is found, time becomes critical. The first step is activation of the airport emergency plan. It involves immediate notification to aviation security, bomb squad, and the local police. Flights are halted and terminals may be sealed. Then the evacuation starts. A suspicious baggage can trigger full protocol. Trained teams isolate the area, deploy explosive detection dogs, and use X-ray scanners or robotic arms to inspect the baggage. Evacuation is done by zone, segment by segment to avoid panic. All passengers and other one have moved to safe zones. Aircraft are moved to safe areas or remote bays, and always the coordination is key between the ground staff and air traffic control, and as well as the local responders. In most cases, threats turn out to be false alarms, but no risk is taken lightly. Every single incident is treated as real until proven otherwise. These processes are refined through many years of drills, trainings, and international protocols. They ensure that even in chaos, safety is never compromised. In aviation, every minute, every second is countable, and so does trust. Airport evacuation and bomb threat alarming is not just about safety. It is about to be ready for the unexpected. I'm Sharath Kumar, industry's first aviation criminologist. Stay alert, stay aware with Acsendia Aviation News.